Welcome welcome to our biscuit factory. Today, I'll show you how biscuits are made, from flour and butter to the crispy treats. Perfect mixing ensures consistent taste, texture, and aroma.
The humidity looks good, but the knead timing is slightly off.
Okay, adjusting the mixer RPM now to compensate.
These ovens bake thousands of biscuits every hour at precise temperatures. Every batch is inspected to ensure a perfect bite.
At this factory, every bite begins with passion, precision, and taste. That's how biscuits are made from start to finish.